Alright, today we're going to bring our gun rack. This is for rifle rack. We're going to set it up today. Just to let you guys know, they included the screws in here. So the screws are included, if you guys can see that. Alright, we're going to mark it up first. Lower it down, because I want it a little lower. I don't want it too high. And we're going to mark them up where we're supposed to make the dot. Snap-ons, alright. This is for the higher upper. If you guys can see, I made some lines for my guidance, alright, because they had to be balanced, well balanced. You can move them left, like I said, left or right. Alright, we're gonna demo this rifle. This is a toy gun, alright. So basically, you just put it in here, either this way, if you guys can see it. That's one way, or the other way, however you can. Alright, it has a for the stock bud here in the bottom. If you guys can see it, it won't go through. Sorry, there's a lot of dust because I just put them in there. I put the rack in there. Simple to adjust. All right, just put it in there, in here. That's pretty much it does it, right? So